Hi, this is one of the many videos that we have in our how-to series. This particular video is how to use the retail list area. So let's dive in. As you would have heard in many of our other videos, our menu options on the right hand side of the appointment book and the point of sale screen are all very similar. So you can access different areas of the system from either side. So if you were to press retail list from the point of sale screen, it'll take you to the retail list area. Same button on the appointment book will take you to the same screen. So it doesn't matter which side you're from, it'll take you to the exact same screen. So you've got some search filters up the top here. You can search via brand, search via department, or supplier. If you're holding a barcode scanner, and if this filter is set to code, if you were to scan the item, it'll take you straight to that particular retail item. So that means you can obviously search via code as well. Plus, you can search by the manufacturer code if you have it, or search via the description. All nice and easy stuff. You can also, these filters also work. So you can arrange it from highest to lowest, A to B, 0 to 10, and so on. So to take you through the bottom options, there will be other videos for vouchers and ordering. They are rather long and intricate, so we don't want to make these videos too long. So this will just take you through these top options and the shop usage. You'll see the other videos for vouchers and the ordering. So before you create any new items, you just need to make sure that your brands are up to date. So if it's a new item that you don't have the brand for, you'll just need to create it. Same with the department. If it's a different department that you're creating, you'll need to enter that in there. Same with the supplier. Once you've got all that in order, create new. So grab if you're holding a barcode scanner, grab the item and scan it. Alternatively, just type in the barcode number, put in the description of the item, a short description if you wish, allocate its department, allocate its supplier, and the brand. It doesn't really matter. The type, unless you're creating a new voucher, will always be normal. So again, you'll see in the voucher videos what to do with here for the voucher. But for other extensive purposes, you'll be using normal. Then you've got your levels. You can put your minimum and maximum levels on the shelf, and your quantities and back ordering. That's all there. Pricing, sell price, cost price, pretty straightforward. GST applicable. The default will set the GST to always collected. It will be price including GST. Unticket is price excluding GST. Then you've got your inserts if you want to do any special discounts via the pricing wizard. Once you're all happy with that, we'll just pop in something here. Once you're happy with all that, press save. And you'll see the retail item goes in. You can obviously also delete that if you need to. And you can also change retail items via the change button. You have the shop usage. This is for any retail that's used in salon, so for professional usage. So all it is here, you will just select what item it's being used in salon, select who's using it. So this is very similar to the point of sale sales lookup. So you can just basically click here side of search, whatever item it is you're looking for. Do your filter via brands also. So that's all pretty standard stuff. Or if you have a barcode number, you can scan it and it'll put that item down. Once that's all done, press close and it'll update the retail list just to show you. So we're just going to go to the Hydra conditioner. Take one off the shelf. And you'll see it's gone down to 2. One more time. Trolleys cleanser is at 5. Now it's at 4. So it's all there working quite nicely. Again, we'll go into the vouchers. So this is where you can go to create vouchers. I'll just quickly gloss over this. You can create your voucher types, insert your ones that you want to sell. So that's all here. But again, you will see these in our how to use the voucher area. And same with ordering. So you can create new orders, send orders, manage back orders, all that kind of good stuff. That's all there. So this is how to use the retail list area. And as you've heard me say before, no such thing as a silly question. So please do not hesitate to give us a call on 1300 780 619.